welcome back to this video. In this video, or from this video, we are starting the advanced data with ChatGPT, right? Playing around the advanced data with ChatGPT, okay? So in this video, we are seeing how we can get our work done with the help of ChatGPT in Power BI, right? So first of all, what we are going to do, let us simply load some data in it, right? So if I talk about the data, so yes, downloads me, I have one thing, okay? So I have this data, right, with me, which is always ready. So yes, this data shows different regions, sales in different regions, what are the products that are being sold, and like at what date they are being sold. Okay, so let me load this data right on the this thing. Yep. So yes, now my data is being loaded. Okay, and now I have to place certain graphs, right? So let us place this clustered graph, and over here what I will do, let us select year from the date, and region, product category, region, and sales as well, right? So yes, this is my chart ready with me. This chart says that in year 2023, and yeah, so it's 2023 only, or maybe not year, let us select month. Okay, let us select month and not year. Okay, yeah, so we have this data ready with us. Okay, so this data says that, okay, in the month of January, right, the clothing is being sold, like 2000 clothes are being sold in like east region, and in the north region, no clothes is being sold, and all those things, right? So we have this graph ready with us. Now what we need to do, now suppose what I need to do is, I am not liking the color and all, right? So I'm not liking the color and all of this thing, so I want to change the color theme and all, right? So but now this thing I need to do with the help of Chat GPT. So what I can do, I'll simply go to this view tab, and let us now try to change the theme, say this theme, right? So suppose now, not this, this is very bad theme. Say this. No, this is also not good. Okay, let's copy this theme. Okay, so suppose this is my current theme. So what I need to do, I simply have to save the current theme, right? So I'll save it with theme.json. So yes, okay, so now my current theme is same. So if you are not aware of this thing, so what we need to do is, whenever we need to change any kind of a theme, or like anything in Power BI, so that is being done with the help of a JSON file. Okay, so now I don't know how to manipulate that JSON file, what to do, what not to do, but yes, of course, Chat GPT knows it very well. Okay, so what we are going to do now, will simply open my Chat GPT, and I will say that, okay, Chat GPT, this is my theme, right, on the desktop file. So yeah, this is my theme. Okay, so I will say, hey Chat GPT, hey Chat GPT, this is my Power BI theme dot JSON file, uh, in which I have used a clustered bar chart, right? Clustered bar chart, and I want you to manipulate this theme file, theme JSON file, and change the foreground, and basic colors, increase the font size, and change the font style as well. Also, I want it to be um designer chart. You can use certain certain graphics, as well as gradients also. Yeah, So yes, now I'm saying that okay, I have to change the theme of this thing, and you can use certain graphics or like anything that you want to use. You can use to change the theme of this JSON file. Okay. So yes, it has modifications made is change the foreground color, vibrant blue color, increase the font size. Okay. Uh, change the font style to Roboto. So earlier my font style was Arial. Okay. So let me show you the earlier file. Okay. So let me show you the earlier file. What this that like how my earlier file looks. So come on. Till then it is changing. Okay. Yep, it is changing. Let me show you the earlier file now. Where is it? Yeah, so this is my theme file, and yeah, so this is how my theme file looks like. So earlier it was okay, so this was the data colors. Okay, earlier foreground was FFFFF, and the font face was Arial, which it is now changing to Roboto, and the color was FFFFF. So let's see now what it has done. So yeah, so these data colors it has changed. Foreground color, which was earlier FFFFF, now it has changed to something like this, or like I don't know what it has done. So yes, it has made certain changes. I'll copy this. I'll copy this. I'll paste it over here. Right. So I have pasted it over here, but it is throwing me certain errors. Oh yeah. So of course, these are the errors. So this, what happened? Okay. So let me. What is happening, buddy? Let me remove it and we'll come back. Okay, I'm just removing the comments, nothing else, and I'll come back. Okay, just let me remove the comment. Yeah, so now I have removed all the comments and now I don't have any problem with my file. So I'll save it, right? And I'll close this, I'll close this, I'll close this, and let me open this Power BI once again. And yes, is it done? I'm not sure. Let us see. Let me load that browse for themes. Okay, browse for themes, and this is my theme. I'll open it. Okay, and is it done? Yeah, got it. So see, now it is loaded perfectly fine, right? Now the theme is loaded perfectly fine. So yes, now if I want to have some changes, so as you can see the colors and all, they are not that much compatible, but yes, they're still, the theme is now being changed, right? So I can always change a bit more themes, so I can always ask Chat GPT to do it like the way I want it. But yes, this is how you can always take the help of Chat GPT in Power BI, and you can do stuff that is not, that are not like, if you don't know any kind of thing, you can always take the help of Chat GPT, right? So yes, I guess that's it for this video, and in the next video we will again see some advanced things with data, how to play around data with the help of Chat GPT. So yes, till then, bye bye. Thank you.